Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of Editor's Pick by Raquel Welch in the color RL6/28, also known as Bronzed Sable. I love this color. I have a soft spot in my heart for a lot of these sort of brunette auburn blends. This one's a really neat one because the red in it is just really bright. So let me go ahead and zoom in here so you can see what I mean. You can see that the base shade, that 6, is a nice medium brown, and then on top of that you get this gorgeous sort of medium bold Irish coppery color. So the two of them blended together just make a really nifty mix, and it looks really cool with the texture of the Editor's Pick. Let me go ahead and show you the lace front since I'm already in zoom mode. You can see that there. It's a little bit on the sparse side, but the knots are really teeny tiny, which I approve of. See, that's where my wig cap is. It's right there. But you can still see the knots are teeny tiny. So that's good stuff. One thing I'll say right away, this is a heat-friendly synthetic wig, and if you apply heat to this wig, you will no longer have this texture. So don't do it. Unless you hate this wavy texture, in which case, why would you buy this wig? So yeah, I wouldn't recommend heat styling this one so much. I do think that this one works well in a heat-friendly because it's a nice short length. It's just shoulder skimming, so it's not going to get super ratty super quick, which is great. You know, that's always a concern with heat-friendly synthetic fibers. I love the texture on this one. I love how light it is. And by that I don't necessarily mean weight. I'm talking about the density of the hair. A lot of people talk about how, you know, when they wear wigs or when they buy wigs, the wigs have too much hair and they feel kind of overwhelmed. Well, if that's you, this Editor's Pick is very natural. The volume is very natural. They don't give you an excessive amount of hair. So it just kind of, you know, of all of the wavy wigs, it's one of the least poofy ones out there. I'll just put it up. I'll just say it like that. It's not poofy. It doesn't have a ton of volume. And these are all good things for the right person. It does have a little bit of extra space back here in the top of the cap, which is nice. I just think this one is dynamite. It's a great little wig. You know, I'm not really one for the heat-friendly synthetics, but like I said, this is a good length for it, and it's just, it looks really nice. It has a very natural amount of shine to it. Most heat-friendly synthetics tend to. They're not nearly as shiny as regular synthetics, and it's just a really beautiful wig. Let me go ahead and turn around so you can see what this one looks like on all sides. And it moves really well too. It's just such a cute little quirky wig. I like this one a lot. Let's talk some specs. This one's only 3.25 ounces, so it's really lightweight. The front is 4.5 inches. So there you go. But it definitely gets swept off to the side there. It just kind of wants to fall in line. The crown down is 10.25. Don't pay too much attention to some of these measurements because it's curled. So it's going to be a little shorter than what's indicated. The sides are 2.5 because it's layered. And the back is 8 and the nape is 6.5. So yeah, this is a really nice, really cute little wig. Great stuff. This one has a 100% hand-tied monofilament top. It's very transparent, which is why you can see my wig cap through it. So I just kind of plan accordingly. I'm going to go ahead and take this one off now so I can show you the cap construction. Okay, So here you can see we've got a lace front, we've got a monofilament top, both of which are hand tied. The monofilament top is cut in half, and then you've got this bump of permatease in the back, give it some oomph. But like I said earlier, not as much body as some of the other wigs with this style. Definitely has less hair on it than the Julienne. So if you find the Julienne by Jon Renau very overwhelming, this one has much less hair, but in a good way. Open back and sides with that memory cap construction, which I really love. Also has an extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. Good stuff there. There is a seam here between the lace front and the mono top. That's pretty standard. Now you can see the permatease when you part the hair a certain way, and I'm doing that for you right now. And that's what the permatease looks like. Under most circumstances though, you're going to comb the hair in a way so that that hair just falls right over the permatease and you never even see it. It does provide a very slight bump in the back. You can kind of see it there. It goes boop, boop. But it's not a dramatic bump. I'm going to go ahead and put editor's pick back on now. There you go, easy peasy. This has been the editor's pick by Raquel Welch. I give this one a double thumbs up. It's really, really cute. In RL6/28, also known as Bronze Sable, which is a really lovely sort of auburn brown blend. And I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Named so because I have polycystic ovary syndrome. So yeah, I know it's gross, whatever. It's life. Life is gross. Or, as the guy from Princess Bride, Wesley, would say, life is pain, you know, whatever. It happens. No, I think that's actually kind of Buddhist too, but I'm going on a tangent, so whatever. Anyhow, yeah, check out my store. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll review stuff. You can watch it if you want. It'll be fun. And until later, bye!